Hey everyone, it's Crypto Profit back with another video, and today we're going to be talking a little bit about SwapDEX. So what is SwapDEX? Why has nobody really talked about it quite yet? Well, it's fairly new. I want to jump into some of the different things regarding SwapDEX. Some of the things that they're doing have actually been very, very nice for the crypto space. We've actually seen a decentralized multi-chain finance is the future. Our mission is to revolutionize the future of DeFi by providing the industry-leading blockchain, exchange, and end-to-end financial platform within a community-governed ecosystem. So you can see all the different kind of data here with SwapDEX chain data being validator, staking era, the coin symbol, the coin decimals, all of that stuff that you would need in certain situations. But the big thing to note, guys, today is if you are interested at any point in time during today's video, there's going to be a couple different things you're going to want to do. Well, first, jump down into the description of today's video and click some of these links, the website, the Twitter, the Telegram, to stay up to date with all things SwapDEX. And then also, if you go to the website and if you want to buy, you'll just scroll down just a little bit and you'll see how to buy SDX. It's a nice little walkthrough on how to buy at PancakeSwap. It's very, very easy, and you can add BSDX to MetaMask very quickly. And like I said, there's a lot of reasons as to why people are getting involved with SDX. If we see here as well, the pathway to multi-chain assets being minimal configuration changes, so no need to rewrite or reconfigure your smart contracts when deploying on SwapDEX SmartDEX chain. You also have tools already used. So there's actually different tools that you already use that are being used here with SwapDEX. So use Ethereum-based tools like MetaMask, Remix, Hardhat, Waffle, Truffle. All of those work great with SwapDEX. We also have familiar smart contract languages. So that's something that's going to continue to bring more and more people to this space as we have cross-chain, multi-chain access, and Canary live test network as well. So a lot of great different utilities that come together to make SwapDEX great. If we take a look at the SwapDEX ecosystem, there's a lot of reasons as well as to why people are interested. So low gas fees, 1500 TPS, which is very, very quick. We have scalability, security, multi-wallet access, governance, and community funding. So the smart contracts redeploy your existing smart contracts to the SwapDEX ecosystem without the need to refactor or rewrite. Smart contract languages deployed with ease, Solidity, Viper, and anything that complies to EVM bytecode. There's also forkless upgrades. So future-proof and forkless, the SwapDEX ecosystem does not require a hard fork upgrade, which is great. So each new feature implemented to the chain will be seamlessly integrated without the needs for node holders to update their existing software, which is making really this whole idea easily adaptable. We also see the chain that rewards you more. So the gas fees rewarded back in the ecosystem. We have 50% to liquidity holders, 20% burn, 20% treasury, and that 10% SwapDEX NFT holders. So there's a lot of great stuff going on with SwapDEX, but some of the biggest reasons to stay or get involved in a coin come down to the roadmap, some of the team behind the project, and everything like that. So let's jump into the roadmap first. Here we can see, we have estimation of bridges, Q4 2021, pulls, Q4 2021. A lot of this stuff they've completed very, very quickly. They've done a great job. And now we're looking at some of the good stuff, like I said, exchange listings, SwapDEX app, the DEX, the Launchpad, all of that stuff coming very, very, really well through the roadmap. So here we can see the website rebuild, testnet, mainnet, all completed. They're on the bridges, exchange listing, and then they also have pools, launchpad, swap app, and the DEX coming soon. So a lot of good stuff in the near future for the roadmap, and a lot of good stuff in general. So we can also see some of the listings. We go to Coinbase, you can see that there is a Coinbase listing where it says the price of the actual coin. Obviously, this isn't meaning you can go onto Coinbase and buy the coin, but you can see the price of it at the very least. If you go to the day, you can see what exactly has taken place in the last day. But the best place, in my opinion, to take a look at this is probably CoinGecko or CoinMarketCap. I like CoinGecko specifically. You're going to be able to see the market cap. You're going to be able to see the circulating supply. It's a little off, obviously, because it's a very low-valued coin at this point in time. But realistically, guys, this is looking, like I said, a very, very interesting coin with not much market really cap quite yet, which gives it a huge opportunity to make quite a bit of money here in the next future, or really in the next, future of 2-3 weeks. So we can see here the all-time high was actually at 42 cents, the all-time low at 0.00002767. So it's crazy to see that we have been, all over the place in the past, and really, with this most recent dip, there's a reason to believe that we could get back to an all-time high where it was once trading at 41 cents. Imagine getting back to that 41 cent price point. Obviously, that would be, absolutely amazing. If we come down just a little bit farther, you can see more about the news and the blog posts. So chain development update, the QSARA blockchain is live, testnet is live. So let's have an NFT raffle. A lot of good stuff coming to the SwapDEX. So if you guys want to stay up to date with all these giveaways, stay up to date with the community, kind of the news, the ideas of what's coming to SwapDEX next, you're going to want to jump down, like I said before, in the description of today's video, we'll have links to the website, the Telegram, the Discord, all things to stay up to date with SwapDEX. There's a lot of reasons to be involved with SwapDEX. When it comes to the staking as well, it's just another one of those reasons. So there is staking. You can see the different validators, the nominators, the ideal staked, the inflation, all of it. It's all available here. So definitely take a look. If you guys have any questions, comments, concerns, let me know down in the comments below. But like I said, most of it can be answered on their Telegram or their Twitter, so you guys can read a little bit more about the project there. Thanks again for tuning in. If you have not already, follow them on Twitter, learn a little bit more about the project, and I'll see you guys all in the next one.